smoky. And as you can see, it expanded.
Looks like,
And I was luckily able to get it out of the bike before, and I'm smelling this all day, not knowing where it's coming from.
Like sulfur smell.
Yes,
right?
yes.
That's what batteries do when they fail, yeah.
Yeah, and I was smelling that and I couldn't figure it out. And then once I got off the bike, especially to see it at night, I saw a lot of smoke.
Huh.
And it was steaming. So I didn't know what, I was scared to, I didn't know what to do. So I thought I'd call you guys and get it.
No, I appreciate that. He's got a camera that sees heat, but he's just checking your bike and checking that.
It's like I literally avoided something.
Yeah, because it caught on fire or exploded like they do explode.
And I've seen so many videos.
Be careful when you put new bike. You've had this bike for a while, right?
But this is a gel battery. I never used the gel battery. I always used the standard.
The regular standard
Yeah,
one.
so
maybe
for a while, I was wondering why this bike is working so well. Don't you have to charge it? No, nothing. Standard battery, you have to charge it every once in a while with a triple charger.
Yeah.
And this is what was happening.
That look, it's cool. Hey,
150.
that's 150?
Yeah.
It's 150 degrees?
It's warm, yeah. It's definitely warm. It's not like crazy hot, but it's warm.
It was steamy.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Because even when I pulled in here, the patrons still were asking, where's that sewer smell coming from?
It's not a fire hazard for
Okay.
us, sir.
Okay. That's all that matters.
Should be fine. You sit there, it'll cool down. I wouldn't touch it.
Yeah, okay. That's all I wanted to make sure.
And
that
just call a tow truck or somebody's going to have to come get you.
Yeah,
Right?
I'll figure
You don't want to
that
leave
out.
that here in San
No,
Jose.
I'm not
You know
leaving-
that.
no,
Oh,
I'm
no,
not-
I don't mean the battery. I mean your bike.
No, I know a lot of people.
You
here,
do.
so-
Okay. So you got.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm lucky. I have a battery back at home. I can.
Okay. Perfect. Go
I'll
home and
figure
grab it.
You guys handled the most stressful part. I didn't want to leave an explosive device.
No.
Cooling down.
Okay. So it's not a fire hazard.
Yeah,
That's the guy.
no. Now that it's not, the electricity is not going to
Yeah.
it. It should. I don't know if it'll shrink down, but it'll just get. It's 150 degrees, like you said. So just let it cool down.
Let it cool down. I will. All right. So as long as it cools down, then
Yep.
we're okay. All right. God bless you guys for coming out. Sorry to disturb you. Thank you so
No
much.
problem. You have a good night.
You
Okay,
too.
be safe.
All right. Thank you.